We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and detailed overview of the ZAPUVO wood phone docking station with drawer nightstand organizer. If you own this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us continue providing these in-depth reviews. The ZAPUVO wood phone docking station is marketed as an ideal gift for men, whether it's your dad, husband, boyfriend, or even a colleague. It is designed to keep daily essentials like wallets, glasses, watches, phones, keys, and more organized and within easy reach. Crafted from high-quality solid wood, this multifunctional organizer features a spacious design, a hidden drawer with 2 compartments for smaller items like coins, rings, and keys, and a polished, sturdy finish that adds a touch of elegance to any room. The product dimensions are 7.48 by 10.03 by 9.95 inches, and it weighs 4.46 pounds, indicating a substantial and robust build. It is suitable for use on office desks, bedroom nightstands, living room tables, and even kitchen counters. From the outset, the ZAPUVO docking station impresses with its appearance. Multiple reviewers highlight its attractive, heavy-duty, and sturdy construction, noting that it looks great out of the box and feels substantial. The wood is real, not a flimsy imitation, and the finish is smooth and well-polished. This gives the organizer a premium feel, making it suitable not only as a practical storage solution, but also as a decorative piece that blends well with various interior styles. The design accommodates a wide range of everyday carry items, making it particularly useful for individuals who like to keep their pockets, wallets, watches, and phones in a single, organized location. Reviewers frequently mention that it is perfect for storing all the things that accumulate in pockets throughout the day, and it does so in a way that looks cool and uncluttered. A standout feature is the hidden drawer with 2 compartments. This drawer is praised for its ability to keep small valuables safe and out of sight, reducing the risk of misplacing items like rings, coins, or keys. The drawer's compartments are well sized for these purposes, and users appreciate the added security and organization it brings. The main surface area of the docking station is large enough to hold multiple devices and accessories, making it versatile for different users' needs. Whether it's used to organize remotes, phones, or personal accessories, the ZAPUVO docking station adapts well to various roles in the home or office. Assembly is another aspect that receives attention in user reviews. Most users find the assembly process straightforward and quick, with some noting that instructions are not provided but are unnecessary due to the intuitive design. The pieces fit together logically, and the process can be completed in a matter of minutes. However, there is a significant caveat. Several reviewers report issues with the screws provided for assembly. Specifically, the screws for the main joints are described as being too large, leading to either cracked wood or wobbly joints if forced. This is a recurring theme in negative reviews, with some users expressing disappointment that such a well-made and attractive product is let down by a simple hardware oversight. One reviewer describes the frustration of having to choose between cracking the wood or accepting a less stable assembly, ultimately resulting in a compromised product. Others mention receiving emails from the seller warning about the screw issue, which helped them avoid damaging the organizer, but this is not a universal experience. For those who did not receive such a warning, the risk of ruining the product during assembly was a significant source of dissatisfaction. Despite this drawback, many users report successful assembly and long-term satisfaction with the product. Some individuals who encountered minor damage during assembly were able to make easy repairs, such as gluing a broken piece, and still found the organizer to be functional and attractive. The overall sentiment is that the quality of the wood and the thoughtful design make the docking station a worthwhile purchase, provided that care is taken during assembly or that the correct screws are sourced independently. The product's durability is frequently praised, with users noting that it feels heavy and solid, capable of withstanding daily use without showing signs of wear or instability. In terms of usability, the ZAPUVO docking station excels at decluttering surfaces and providing a dedicated space for essential items. Users appreciate the peace of mind that comes from knowing exactly where their keys, wallets, and phones are at all times. The organizer's layout encourages good habits, making it easy to empty pockets and keep everything in one place. For those who are prone to misplacing small items, the hidden drawer is particularly valuable. The docking station also serves as a charging hub, with ample space to run charging cables and keep devices powered overnight or during the workday. Its versatility extends to various settings, including home offices, bedrooms, living rooms, and even kitchens, making it a flexible addition to any space where organization is needed. The product is frequently given as a gift, and it receives high marks for its presentation and perceived value. Recipients express appreciation for the thoughtfulness and practicality of the gift, and it is especially popular for occasions like Father's Day, Christmas, birthdays, and anniversaries. The organizer is described as a unique and useful present for men who seem to have everything or who are difficult to shop for. Its universal appeal makes it suitable for a wide range of recipients, from fathers and husbands to colleagues and friends. While the majority of feedback is positive, the issue with the screw size is a notable concern that potential buyers should be aware of. Some reviewers suggest that the manufacturer address this issue by including the correct screws in future shipments or providing replacements upon request. Until this is resolved, buyers may want to check their package carefully and consider sourcing their own screws if necessary to avoid damaging the product during assembly. Despite this flaw, the overall quality and functionality of the ZAPUVO docking station make it a strong contender in the market for desk and nightstand organizers. In summary, the ZAPUVO wood phone docking station with drawer nightstand organizer stands out for its solid wood construction, attractive design, and versatile functionality. It is well suited for organizing a wide range of personal items, making it an excellent addition to any desk, nightstand, or countertop. The hidden drawer adds an extra layer of security and organization for small valuables, while the spacious surface accommodates multiple devices and accessories. Assembly is generally straightforward, but buyers should be cautious about the screw issue to avoid damaging the product. As a gift, it is highly appreciated and suitable for a variety of occasions and recipients. The docking station's durability and premium feel ensure that it will provide lasting value, helping users stay organized and clutter-free. If you have experience with the ZAPUVO wood phone docking station, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed decision. For those considering a purchase, the product link is in the description. Using it supports the channel and enables us to continue bringing you detailed, unbiased reviews. Based on a wide range of user feedback and expert analysis, the ZAPUVO docking station is a stylish and practical solution for anyone looking to streamline their daily routine and keep essential items organized and accessible.